Why are your photos going into the slow motion mode? Let me explain why it happens, what it is. Let's get started. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, first of all, the most likely scenario that could be causing this is that you have what's called live photos enabled. So when you go to your camera, you can tap on the more options and decide whether live photos or regular are supposed to be used, right? And the whole point is that when you capture a live photo, it also captures a few shots or like frames before and after you tap the shutter button. So if there was anything moving in the scene, it will also be captured and it sort of looks like a slow motion video. So if you have that in mind, first of all, in your camera, make sure you don't use the live photos. That would be the first thing. But outside of that, once you have some photos already in your gallery, which are the live photos, you can turn off the functionality for them. So you can make it go like this, tap on the edit tool, and you can decide if the live photo is going to be there, right? Or you can just decide if it's going to be like turn off, or even some different effects for it. Like there is the bounce, long exposure, or loop, and that's the thing which you cannot do. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming tutorials as well. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.